Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Pixel 7a, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, you decided to pick up the Pixel 7a and you're looking for some cases. I am here to review this Spigen Tough Armor case for the Pixel 7a. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have links in the description. Like we normally do in my videos, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does everything fit? Does it add bulk to your phone? Can you wireless charge? We'll test out the kickstand on this case. Tough Armor from Spigen is becoming one of the cases I use a lot for many different phones right now. I do love the Tough Armor series from Spigen. All right, so let's get into it. I mean, if you have done Spigen cases or watched videos or even bought them, you know how the packaging look. Nice and simple. It says made for the Google Pixel. Tough Armor case. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. I do like how they have the little tab here. It says 90% recycled paper. I decided to pick up the black, I think they call this one. Or graphite. But look at that. I love the hard plastic. It has this little kickstand. Now the kickstand is not like the strongest one, but it will, it will hold up your phone no matter which way you want to put it. But look at the inside for that drop protection. You have a bunch of logos in there. Tough Armor brand in there. You also have the volume rockers. The power button is always ridged on this case. But let's see how this thing fits. Nice and snug. Let's test out the power button first. Power button is nice and tactile. Easy to find because it is ridged. Power button and volume rockers are easy to press. Do you get lip protection? You do. Look at the top. You get it all the way around. Again, it's not a lot. I wouldn't slam my phone down, but you do get lip protection. You also get the camera cutout. Now, this one is not as precise as the Rinky one because you have that big thing. So if you land something sharp, it can crack or dent up your camera bump there. But you do get protection though. If you lay it down, you definitely will get the protection. Everything at the bottom lines up. The microphone at the top lines up. Again, you have a little Tough Armor logo there. And you can see the drop protection too you get on the corners. Now this does add a little bit of bulk to your phone, but not much. It's not a heavy case, but look at the side profile. You can see that it added some bulk to it, even that way too. But it's not like overpowering. Let me clear all these alerts. So it's not overpowering or like too big and bulky, but it would add some bulk to your phone. Overall, it looks great. The fit, nice and snug at the bottom and top. And the sides too. So this is a great fitting case. Some companies have trouble with the bottom, but look. Now let's try to take this off. And you have to really put some effort in trying to take this case off too. Which is a good thing because again, when you drop your phone, you don't want the phone just to pop out the case. So it takes some effort to do that. Now, can you wireless charge? We will make sure of that too. My little plug here. And as you can tell, you can wireless charge without any issues. Let's check out the kickstand. Again, it's not the sturdiest, but it will do its job. So you can watch videos that way, or if you want less of an angle, you can watch it that way. What do y'all think about the Tough Armor case? Do y'all use Tough Armor from Spigen? If you do, let me know in the comments. I think this is actually, I picked up the blue one. I don't know if this is blue or black. Let's check out. Okay, so the color is metal slate. not black. They actually have a black one. I thought I picked the black one out, but this is metal slate. It's a nice looking case. So if you want to pick up this case from Amazon, look in the description. I will have it there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7a. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.